Hi guys, here 16 divided by 4 is 4 divided by, here 2 times 2 is 4. Here 4 divided by 4 is 1 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 1 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule. Here also this addition subtraction is also equal priority. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. As per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. The next priority is exponent. Here the exponent also not there in the problem. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplications and divisions. For this, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 16 divided by 4. Here 16 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 2 times this 2. Here we have division and multiplication. Here multiplication division both are again equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this 4 divided by 2. Here 4 divided by 2 is 2 times this 2. Here 2 times 2 is 4 is the correct answer.